Welcome to Pi Network, ladies and gentlemen. I've been here on our Ancient of Days project. Luckily, it's paying. It has actually paid. Launched, the price went up as high as $3 at some point. But yeah, we are still very hopeful. They call us the hopiums of GCV, right? So I got into a fix and I remembered I have some Pi. So even though the price is now quite encouraging or anywhere near the GCV, of course, I think it's better to leave than save everything for the future, right? So let's go to the wallet. So here on the Pi browser, let me access my wallet from here. So let me unlock with fingerprint. Okay, so I have this available that has been migrated from my balance. This is the one that I've earned through friends who have actually done their KYC. The other 15,000, let's say 12,000 something that you saw back there, I can't access that one. So now imagine if GCV was actually in effect, how much of a billionaire yours truly will become. But for now, I think the price is around 16 cents thereabout. So I just transferred this 500p Pi to my exchange account. I had this earlier, 2,466, but I've removed this from that balance. Now let's go to the exchange I sent this to. Right, so here we are on BitGet, and you can see under my assets, my 500 Pi is here, right? I didn't send it here for jokes. I meant business when I sent it, and even as I speak, I mean business. So let's go straight to spot. So I'm going to trade it Pi against USDT, spot trading, right? So I'm selling. I click on sell. So the available quantity is this, and I'm selling at market price. I will fill it. I'm going to drag all the way to the right, click on sell Pi. And I've successfully sold 500 Pi at that rate, right? Now I've sold it to USDT. Now I have this amount in USDT, guys. So that's what's up. It's best to stay alive before any other future plans, right? So there you have it. So if you're not already farming Pi, I wonder why. So I'll leave you my invite link in the pinned comment because it's not too late for Pi. It's gonna be there for a long time, right? And good news is the token is actually trading. As you can see, I just traded 500 Pi for 83 USDT, right? So is GCV coming? Well, I can't tell because the Pi team is not sleeping on that dream. So let's hope it comes, right? Until then, be getting ready for the GCV by stacking up Pi as many as you can while you can. So thanks so much. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and enable the little notification bell icon to be the first to see my next video. Bye bye.